Hey friends, if you wish to make a photo black and white on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So let's say I have this dock photo here. Right click on it, select open with, select photos. Okay, now I have its photo here. I need to make it black and white. I'll click on edit. Let me enlarge it and show it to you. Click on this third symbol here, the filter. Now wait and scroll down. You'll have five of or four black and white filters. So this is the normal black and white filter. This is the black and white cool filter. This is the warm filter. Okay, so you can choose accordingly. I like the warm one. Click on save options and you can click on save or save a copy if you want to save a copy. And that's it. Close it and it has been saved accordingly. And now whenever you open it, it will open accordingly. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.